What is this? So we manage here environment, instance, our tenants. So మనం ఇక్కడ స్పేస్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం సార్. We are going to take some space to work with Microsoft. ఓకే, సో మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ తో కలిసి పని చేయబోతున్నాం. Cool. So how to create trial version? Hope you understood. Step by step process and very easiest process. Just to form fill చేయటమే అండి, ఏమైనా చేసామా? Nothing, right? It is just quite easy to create Microsoft Dynamics 365 engagement. And the URL for URL to create a Microsoft Dynamics CRM is, what is that, sir? What is the URL to create Microsoft Dynamics CRM? Remember anybody? It is trials.dynamics.com. My dear friends, please take this URL. I have sent in chat box. I have given in chat box. Just take from there. Keep it safe. Otherwise, trial Dynamics or Dynamics trials also, if you browse, you'll get that. Okay. Thank you, Sai Vishal. And now, once you click on setup, go to account. So once you click on that, you'll navigate to Power Platform Admin Center. So here, this is one admin center. Okay, here, this is one admin center. What is the name of this admin center? Power Platform Admin Center. So this is, we will discuss everything, what exactly, how it works. Okay. So in this admin center contains environments, analytics, resources. See, we'll discuss all these things. Okay, admin centers, data integration, data, what we'll deal with. See, this is your name, your details, Basit Sheikh and admin at the rate Sheikh Technologies, right? So there is full profile and account and sign out option as well. Okay. And now, my dear friends, here you can observe environment name and Sheikh Technologies is default environment and the type of environment is default. State is ready to use. Region United States, created on and created by. And now just go with the new environment. Environment name is development environment. I'm going to create development environment. Maintain one running notes, my dear friends. Sorry, what is this? Environment. Okay. Next is type. This is very important. Please observe all of you. Here we have four types of environments. How many types? It's four types. One is sandbox. Sandbox is used for development purpose, testing purpose. We use sandbox type of environment. In real time, I'm saying, my dear friends, this is not for practice. This is not for theoretical session. This is 100% real time training sessions. So if you go for real time also, you will face only these four types of environments and the same names also. Sandbox. Sandbox name is for to create a development environment and testing purpose also we use sandbox and the trial subscription based leave it about. Now production is for our product we deploy in production environment. What we have developed we give to the customer. Let's say, my dear friends, we have discussed earlier one hospital application. So one of the hospital name called something like Yashoda Hospitals. So they meet us. They asked like they want to manage their business with one application called Microsoft Dynamics 365. By using Microsoft Dynamics 365, they want to use a business relationship with their customers. So at the time, once they come to us, we will develop their application and we will test in sandbox environment. And the production environment, we will give access to them. So the production environment, they can't customize. వాళ్ళు అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఏం టచ్ చేయకుండా వాళ్ళకి ఓన్లీ యూస్ చేసుకునే విధంగా మనం ప్రొడక్షన్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ ని ఇస్తాం. ఓకే, ద trial is for sake of to show any manager, to show any customers, to show any clients. So we'll deploy our application for some time short duration purpose. We use a trial version, and the trial subscription based is for now we will use. So all kind of applications we can utilize. So all Dynamics 365 apps, all enterprise applications we can develop by using trial subscription based. My dear friends, all of you use trial subscription based only. Okay. And region United States default. Why we are taking this one? Because US is a Microsoft headquarters, రైట్. సో మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్ యూఎస్ లో ఉంటుంది. దాంట్లో వర్షన్స్ ఏవి రిలీజ్ చేసినా బేసిక్ గా యూఎస్ లోనే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. తర్వాతనే అదర్ కంట్రీస్ కి షేర్ చేస్తారు. యూకే కావచ్చు, ఇండియా కావచ్చు. ఒక్కొక్క కంట్రీకి ఒక్కొక్క షార్ట్ టైమ్ లో వాళ్ళు డెలివరీ చేస్తారు, డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తారు. సో దెన్ ఓన్లీ ద కంట్రీ యూజర్స్ కెన్ యాక్సెస్. సో బట్ యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫస్ట్. సో దట్ we choose United States default version. Okay. And region is region. They are saying local environments can provide quicker data access. Okay, fine, whatever. We choose United States. Okay. And purpose of this environment to develop applications. Write down, to develop business applications and create a database for this environment. ఈ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ కి డేటాబేస్ కావాలి. డేటాబేస్ మస్ట్ ఆల్వేస్ బి క్రియేటెడ్ ఫర్ ద సెలెక్టెడ్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ టైప్. ఈ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ టైప్ కి ట్రయల్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ బేస్డ్ అనే టైప్ కి డేటాబేస్ మస్ట్ గా కావాలంట. సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ నెక్స్ట్. Once you click on next, it will navigate to adding database. So it is adding database. So my language is English and my URL name is URL, what is mean by URL సార్? URL అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది సార్, దీన్ని URL అంటాం. www.google.com అంటాం, that is what URL. trials.dynamics.com, that is what URL. Okay, here I am going to give shake text, shaketext.crm.dynamics.com. This is what URL, full URL this is. Okay, and currency is US dollar. Enable Dynamics 365 apps. Remember this point, my dear friends. మళ్ళీ నా దగ్గరకు వస్తూ ఉంటారు రెగ్యులర్ ఈ పాయింట్ అందుకే చెప్తున్నాను. Enable Dynamics 365 apps is default yes. Automatically deploy these apps. ఆటోమేటిక్ గా నాకు డిఫాల్ట్ డేటా కొంచెం కావాలనుకుంటున్నా. What is that? All enterprise applications. Okay, since um, none also we can take, so we don't want any deploy apps. So if you don't want any applications, click on none. If you want a sales pro, if you want remote assist, project operations, customer service pro, like I want all enterprise applications. Once you click on all enterprise application, you will get a lot of data, a lot of internal data you will get in your environment. So we are discussing what is so we are in environments. First of all, what is environment? What is environment? Why we are using environment? Let's see guys, here just observe, environment name is development environment. The type of environment is trial subscription based. Remember, always you go with this type only. Okay, state a preparing instance, it is preparing instance. Once it comes as a ready state, we will start utilize it. Region is United States, created on now, and created by Sheikh Basid. Okay, so first of all, yeah, so my dear friends, like this you have to create 3 environments. Okay, and just go here, new, and click here, testing environment, and type is trial subscription based, and create one more database. Click on next. Like this you have to create 3 environments, and URL is shake test. I'm giving shake test dot crm.com, and here see, enable 365 apps, deploy sample data. So I'm going to take all enterprise applications always. Okay, so now it is going to create one more environment. Now the test environment also adding here, and now development environment is in ready state now. Before going to discuss about the deep discussion about environment, we need to know what is the environment and other details. Let's see, my dear friends. So we need to know the below details. First of all, tenant. What is tenant? Tenant, so my dear friends, the environments, the whole Microsoft Dynamics 365 system is in one tenant. One tenant. Tenant can have multiple environments, multiple instances. We call this is environment, this is another environment, this is another environment. 3 environments in one place, that is called tenant. Tenant and meaning in sir, generally tenant means rent, rented house. So if you are paying something for rented house, so you are tenants there. రైట్. సో మీరు బాడుగకు ఉన్నారు సార్, ఇంట్లో బాడుగకున్నారు. ఆ బాడుగకు ఉండడం మిమ్మల్ని ఏమంటారు? ఓనర్స్ అంటే టెనెంట్స్ అంటారు. టెనెంట్ అంటే రెంట్కి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు, రెంట్కి ఇవ్వడం. సో ఏ ప్లేస్, ఏ కంటైనర్, ఒక ప్లేస్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ డైనమిక్స్ సిఆర్ఎం వాడుతున్నాము అంటే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ వన్ టెనెంట్. ఓకే, టెనెంట్ ఈజ్ లైక్ వన్ కంటైనర్, ఇట్ కెన్ హ్యావ్ మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్స్టెన్సెస్. Okay, a tenant is a group of users who share a common access with specific privileges to the software instance. One instance means one environment, sir. In environment or instance are both are same. So ఒక environment కి కొంతమంది users ని యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తాం. Let's say I have 100 members in my organization. So I will give development team కి development ఒక 10 members ని development environment కి యాడ్ చేస్తా, ఒక 10 members ని testing team కి testing environment కి యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తా. Because why? Because డెవలపర్స్ కి డెవలప్మెంట్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్, టెస్టింగ్ కి టెస్ట్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ పీపుల్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తాం, అంతే కదండి. డెవలప్మెంట్ వాళ్ళని తీసుకెళ్లి టెస్టింగ్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వం. ఓకేనా, సేమ్ యాజ్ టెస్టింగ్ పీపుల్ ని తీసుకొచ్చి డెవలప్మెంట్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ కి యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వం. ఓకేనా, సో వీ హ్యావ్ 100 members and we give access to particular members to particular environment. So that is what with the specific privileges means the manager can have total access and the user can have only little bit access by using special privileges. What is privilege? Accessibility. We'll discuss deep discussion, we have a lot in coming sessions. Okay, so what is tenant? Tenant means ibm.com means your URL. Let's say now what is our URL? Shake. So shake something is there, URL is there, right? What is that? So this is what one tenant. What is this? This is dot one tenant. And next, instance. What is instance? An instance is a CRM environment. ఒక ఇన్స్టెన్స్ అంటే ఒక CRM environment. ఇప్పుడు ఇది మనం environments లో ఉన్నాం కదండి. This is what one environment, another environment, another environment. Okay, and an instance is a Dynamics 365 database. మనం ప్రతి ఒక్క ఇన్స్టెన్స్ కి డేటాబేస్ ని ఇస్తాం. Large organizations might use separate instances for different departments, right? As we have discussed, testing department, development department, admin department. We have support department. Many departments are available. ఒక్కొక్క department కి ఒక్కొక్క instance access ఇస్తాం. Every instance can have its own individual database. Own individual database ఉండదండి ప్రతి ఒక్క instance కి, ప్రతి ఒక్క environment కి. Instances now called environments. Okay. An environment is, what is environment, sir? Remember this. What is environment? Environment is a space to store, manage, and share your organization business data, apps, and flows. ఉంటుంది environment లో ఏం చేస్తాము? It is a space to store, manage, share applications, everything we manage with the environment. Okay. It also serves as a container to separate apps that may have difficult roles, security requirements, and target audience. ఈ పాయింట్స్ అన్నిటిని మీకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైన కాకపోయినా డోంట్ వరీ మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ కమింగ్ సెషన్స్. ఓకే. ప్రతి పాయింట్ మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. కీ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే సార్, a tenant is the account you create in the Microsoft Online Services environment such as Office 365. Yes. So for instance, if your company enrolls Microsoft 365, you have a tenant. ఇప్పుడు మనం Microsoft 365 కి ఒక ట్రయల్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ బేస్డ్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా సార్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ we have one tenant. In that tenant, we have one tenant, and in that tenant we have multiple instances or environments, right? So once you click on development environment button and click on open environment, open environment. So until now, my dear friends, this is environments, and the way we are managing environments, it's our platform admin center. And take this URL always, my dear friends, because yeah, sure. So I have given the admin power platform microsoft.com URL. So once you launch my power platform admin center, you have to know how many environments you require and how many environments you need to create. So these three are the environments. An environment can contain, store the data, manage the data, apps managing, everything we manage by environments. Okay. So these environments, where it is available, sir? In Power Platform Admin Center, right? So be cool, my dear friends. You have recorded sessions. If you want, you can go through them once and listen multiple times. Listen multiple times, 1 2 3 times. You have session means you can listen multiple times, right? So listen multiple times and understand the concept what we are discussing. So my dear friends, so this is a task for you today. Task is like what? Create 3 environments. What are those? One is development environment and testing environment, and third one is production environment. Okay. This is task for you guys, and I will share this document to you. Don't worry. So ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ మీకు ఇస్తాను. You can go through them also. No worries. Okay, cool. రాసుకోకపోయింటే మీరు మీ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ లోంచి తీసుకొని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, లేదంటే మీ రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్ లో కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. ఓకే. So create 3 environments. One is development, testing, and production environment. Which type of environment you will choose? Trial subscription based. Okay, trial subscription based only. Okay. And now once you click on the development environment and click on open environment, before going to open environment, my dear friends, open this environment here. Once you click on that, you will see details. In this you can edit, you can visit. So here the region, type, environment ID, state is ready, refresh cadence, how frequently. So frequent గా మీరు ఏం ఎంటర్ చేస్తే అది అప్డేట్ అవుతా పోతుంది సార్. వై? బికాస్ ఈ టెనెంట్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్స్, ఈ డేటా అంతా ఎవరు మేనేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్? దిస్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఆన్లైన్ వర్షన్, అండ్ యూ ఆర్ గివింగ్ డేటా, యూ ఆర్ గివింగ్ యువర్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి, యువర్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఎంటైర్ డీటెయిల్స్ విల్ బి అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ క్లౌడ్. మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ క్లౌడ్. సో ఈ క్లౌడ్ లో మీ ఎంటైర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ స్టోర్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో ద వర్షన్, విచ్ డేటాబేస్ వర్షన్ ఆర్ వి యూజింగ్ నౌ, which is 9.1. The current version is 9.1. 9.1 when it has launched, sir? 2018. Dynamics 365 version లో 9.1 version వచ్చింది. ఓకే. అండ్ అప్డేట్స్ 2020 రిలీజ్ వేవ్ 1 అప్డేట్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్. వేవ్ 2 2020 అక్టోబర్ లో జరిగింది, అవి కూడా అప్డేట్స్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే. 2020 అక్టోబర్, లాస్ట్ 2 months ago. ఓకే. అండ్ ద రిసోర్సెస్ అండ్ సెక్యూరిటీ రోల్, యాక్సెస్ ఎవరెవరికి ఇవ్వాలి, ఈ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ కి యాక్సెస్ ఎవరెవరికి ఇవ్వాలి, టీమ్స్, యూజర్స్, సెక్యూరిటీ రోల్స్ అన్ని మనం చూస్తాం. What is security role? User teams. First of all, we need to know the concept of security, and then we'll give access. Okay. Always remember, we will daily use this environment page. And if you want, you can click on settings. You can visit many settings for these environments. Okay. So open your environments and visit that. Now click on this. Here, once you click on open environment, you will navigate to apps page. What is this? Apps.